Friday evening or afternoon, late afternoon. I don't know what time it is, about 5:30. It's okay. It's okay. And Karin and Halgrim are going to go out for a walk. So, this is our new old car we just got today. It's a Mercedes-Benz B150, as you can see. It's quite old, but it's in excellent condition. It has no rust on top or bottom. It's very, very clean. And most importantly, it has lots of room also for Halgrim. And let's see if I have the key here, I believe. I can, whoops. Yeah. So, our old A-Class 190, which was smaller than this car, finally got too old. It was almost 20 years, and it's had 300,000 kilometers, and so we got this. You can see how much room it has. It's quite roomy inside, and the nice thing is you can lay those seats down, and then it's flat all the way from the back bumper all the way up to the front seats. That's nice for transporting things. It'll be nice for Halgrim too if we want to give him more room. We're going to get a protective barrier so that he won't fly forward if we'd have an accident. This car is going to be used mostly for Karin going with him and for transporting all kinds of things from the garden and so on. As you see, it has a trailer hitch too, so it'll be practical. We can use one of our neighbor's trailers. It's really very clean, very well kept car. Has plenty of room in back. You can easily ride 5 people comfortably. It's a standard shift, 1500 cc, 100 horsepower. It's very, very plain in that sense, but easy to drive, comfortable to drive, and certainly fast enough for anything. The other car is so fast that if we really want to go somewhere fast, we can. But this car will be just great for doing things around the house here, taking things to the dump and out for shopping and that sort of thing. And also, like I say, for Halgrim. Let's see the instruments here. It has 150,000 kilometers. These cars go easily 250 to 300,000, so the price was certainly right. It's we paid about a little more than $3,000 for it, so it's really a bargain, actually. It's came from our mechanic who has been looking after the car for the last 5 years or 4 years, and the people that owned it bought another car from him, and he got this, and so he suggested it might be something for us. And it has automatic air conditioning. It has a good, nice stereo system, and like I say, it's very clean. So I will take you out for a drive in it tomorrow or the next day. If the weather's as nice as it is today. The weather is beautiful today, and not only that, it's actually quite warm. It's probably around 17 degrees Celsius. I'm using my gimbal mount here, the front. So like I say, I'll take you out for a ride tomorrow. I have to fix dinner now. It's about 5:30 in the evening or something like that, and so we'll finish this up for today. But I did want to get this up for my friend Ray, who will be interested in seeing it, I'm sure. So Ray, there you are. There we go. That gives you, I mean, it's a plain Jane transportation, but it's nice, in nice condition and comfortable. Like I say, it's quite comfortable. So there you go. I'll put this up just for fun, and bring it back tomorrow or the next day.